Na tegerere nkwana.
Chetinga toetu muntu.
Na rukwana. Wagenda rukwana nkwana.
Nchene iguno muntu kwana.
Elia ya bantu 900. And actually ekere na tegerere clip gyonspi tindo chi bobe bonena kwana tigakora tebetenga chikura chirichito tobwate. Tikatorachi akaye. Na chibe chieri 200 500 tikatochi yake because yejimi 900 na ji president Ruto atagete erenga kiachi tagete ndunto kitaka. So that was very okay. No nyo beto taken out of context. It was saying chikura kitu na chibachinke. In any case ekaroko liki chikura ogotwara amachibu abere nabokobwa ose nabokobwa ekaroko wana buna bono muskera ila odinga tanya kobwa kura Lions, but always he's in government. And always he has managed. Genda Kisumu today, I was there. Is I think the cleanest town to work. Well arranged. One of our but he has never become a president. So chikura kiriketo tupugata tuchiaka nenda mwamu. Bunanko enda wa munyoro na njendi yaba ikoyo ba kenenda mwamu. Tote byo muzike bugari abazike osoro na abantu abauda batubwatesi. To akachikura cheito in one basket, so that chikura chioke chikoto apagaining power. Let me tell you, tigango inyori almost kokoro wetangula today mujumba wadana yamogo sababere but he's a speaker of the National Assembly. Abu atekere the third powerful position in Kenya. Yes. Oyo kiama kia meruo muhabo. Abuna banje ine baruya baramo babwati birugo biresine cabinet secretary como bono nge prime minister Musalia Mudavadi ikiama kia ye kia merwa na uda lakini ndikia mwirete kopagain ize nambanke eri abwata ko rusobo yando liyo muntu okoro kwa maendeleo chap por bone ke cabinet secretary ya umuhakoli mutua. He came to the bargaining table because he abwata abantu bakebaye baso. Boko genda chef Amazon King. Abwata kiama toke maeti. Waju toke maeti. Again because he abwata kiama abantu baso bagasa kukaba bakamwakera kiamula tenere Senate speaker. What am I trying to say? Go bargain kuna abantu baomba iyo magega yago na muna tubwati gali gugotali. What basically I'm saying, boni gabaka umwakoyo ere abantu beto tigabaruane tigabaminyokani lakini tigatonyura ninga kibu negesaku ntobwate sababu yogo chamo